Hi. In this short video, we're gonna create a test class for person, and we're gonna do two things. One, to create an object, and secondly, we're gonna show you how would you create an array of objects. We need that actually when we study advanced talk, which is called association and aggregation and so on. Let me first of all start writing the test code for this. Two ways to do it as well. We're either right click on source here, right click and create new class, or you go from top here and click on class, and name of the class I'm going to call it test. Test person. Do you write main, or do you want to generate it for you? If you want to generate, to click on here, right? Click on here, generate for you. If you don't click it, you do that yourself. We're going to do it ourselves. Test, so create one here, and I'm going to say public static void main. That's a string. So some people ask, what does that mean? That means we're running from the command line and needs how many arguments needs for that, and that's being generated. First of all, what I'm going to do, generate, for instance, first of all, I would like to, for further down in the code, let me generate, actually, I would like to read from the keyboard. So I need to create a scanner. This is, we don't need it now, but we're going to need it a bit later. Scanner. So create an object called input. So a new call the scanner system. There you go, and that's being generated for us. Notice here that's giving us an error. The error because we need to create something is here. You have to write something Java util scanner. You can do that. You can type it here. You can type it import. Import Java as utility Java util, and it's called scanner. And you can see the error is gone. You can do it like that, or if you can't recall that, there's still error here. Just left click in here. You can see that it says just move it here. Don't click on anything. It says import. Here it says click on it, and that's generated for you. So you can do that as well. And this one here, just put it back in here. I'm going to create person P1. I'm going to call here. Let me do this. Here's person P1, a new person, the name, age, gender, contact number, and salary. Now, in order to use the two strings, of course, we don't need to do set and get and so on. I can say system out, and I'll say, there it is. I can say P1 dot two strings, there it is, and that would print the result for me. So if I click on that and I run the program, it is run, so it's fine, and has the object. Again, that's printing the objects here. There you go. And as soon as I say two strings, print it as here. You don't need to do it by default, but by default it does it for you. So if you say P1, automatically Java knows it goes to the overloading method. It's called two strings. There you go. Again, if you don't have the two strings in the class here, what does that mean? If I remove this one here from here, and here we go. It's going to go to the parent, and it's going to run. So it's going to say, here it is, you've got an object, it's called person, and here it is, say person, and that's the address of it. And that's why we need to write the overload methods here to print it for you. So either you put P1 two strings, or just P1, that would do the job for you. Go to the two strings and print this one here. And now what we're going to do, we're going to create an array of objects rather than doing object at a time. For instance, if you've got a class and you've got so many students, so you don't need to actually put one student. There are two ways, either with the names in the file, which we're going to talk about some other time, or you can put them from the keyboard by using arrays. I'm going to just demonstrate using arrays, very simple arrays. I'm going to make an array of two students or two persons only. To an array as a person, there you go, as an array. I'm going to call it person as a small p. Notice that small p equal a new person, and I would like to have two. Another array. Be careful, this person is not the constructor, right? It's the class name. You just mean to create two entities for me or two objects for me. The object is not being created as yet. In order to do that, you have to use a loop, for loop, because we need two. If it's 10, it's for loop. So for this int of I equal, he comes to start from 0, and I is less than, equal, less than, always less than. So I've got the object person. If you notice, the object person here. I just put it here, person dot, and give me the length. So I don't need to every time change the number. So length is going to give me, this time is going to be 2, and of course I'm going to increase I by 1. Here it is. Now what I need to do, I need to create the object for each one of them. Here it is. So I can say person, here it is. If you notice here, person of I, the first and the second, equal a new. Now I'm going to create the new. I'm going to say person. I've got the constructor now. There it is. So I'm creating one at the time. Now I'm going to ask the user, and that's why I've got a scalar, because I'm going to prompt the user to enter all the user names and the name and so on using. And what we're going to do, we're going to use the set methods. So the question I would ask, for instance, here they are. Please enter full name of the person. Right. To get the full name of the person, here it is. So we're talking about each object at a time. So this is the object. You see, object of first object and second object. So I take each one of them as person of I dot. Look at that, because I'm reading and it sets it up. Set name. Here it is. And all I can say input. I've got the object of input. Next, I have a line. It's better because remember the input is this one. This input reading from the keyboard. There we go. Now. Now, second thing is I'm going to read the age of the person. Head is person of I set, and the age, head is set age, and that's need an integer, right? So input automatically it knows is an integer. Here it is input, that's age, input next, add an integer, right? Knows that gender is going to be char. How can I read char from the keyboard? There it is. Person of I set gender as a gender. Right. How can I read the gender as input from the keyboard? Next, read as a string, not next line. Next as next. Here it is. Then give me only the first character. That's because it's char. Char at it is 0. The first character, because computer start that first one 0. 0. Now next one, the contact number, same thing, system out this one. Now I'm going to say person of I set, and that's contact, the contact number. Address, and you're going to say input because you say string. I'm going to say next this time. There it is, right? And the last one is going to be the salary. So I'm going to say person, it is of I set salary. There it is. So salary is double. Of course, I'm going to say input next double. There it is. Now, so the first person I'm going to read the name, the age, gender, the gender, and then I read the contact number, and then of course the salary. There's a problem you have to keep in mind. Because next time what we're going to read, for second name, we're going to read the full name, which is a string. Be careful with Java, because there's a problem when you read strings after double. So what you need to do, make sure, give it something is when you hit enter with the double, it's going to cause a problem for next string. So add this always. I'm going to say it here. Add this line when you are trying to read string after double, or even So what you can do, you can say input, look at input, next line, just like, sorry, no, hash, that's different text altogether. Next line, you see that? Second one, next line, here it is. Now, we read everything, I need to print them out, same things, I'm just with the outside for int of I equals 0, I less than person dot length here, and serves I plus, and of course I'm going to say here, come here, and I'm going to say system out print ln, and of course we're going to say the object person of I. Yeah, you can put this one J if you want, that's BJ. So it's just in case, because I is here. If you want to put J, that is J is fine. Right, that is J, and here's a J, of J, and of course this would be J password. Of course, you can use I because I is actually internal just for the for statement only. The shelf life for I here is between here and here. It doesn't exist outside, so that's why you can use it. But I'm using J, right? So, and just now we're going to check on this. Run the program. Of course, this is going to be generated for us. Run the program and see what they're going to give us. There we go. Right. There you go. The first one being generated. This one here. Now it's asking me, if you notice, creation, enter first name for first person. I put I plus 1 because I start from 0 and 1. So you cannot say person 0. It would be nice to say person 1. So that's why I say I plus 1. So here the person 1 comes here. So I'm going to say, for instance, Maryam. So like that. Age, let's say 21. Gender, of course, female. And we're going to say contact number. I will say something 50. Right. It's not a real number, but as we see. Salary, I would say, is 54. It is here. At first person. Look at that. Enter for second person. Because I came back in here and ask because I becomes 1, and I say 1 plus 1 is 2. Here it is. So I'm going to put the name Ahmed, Muhammad. Okay. Age is 27. Gender is a male. The contact number 97150. It is. And what's the salary? I'm going to say it is something like that. There it is, right? And here they are. You see that? The object's being generated. Maryam, she's 21, female, and so on. So that's from here. And the print statements are, by the way, right? And this is the second one, name. You know, I've just printed person. When I go print person, it takes me to where? To the 2 strings here. That is. This is how to generate a list of persons rather than, so this is, I'm creating an array, and this is based on the array we do that. I hope that's explained these things. You need that for the association and aggregation later on. Thank you very much. And should you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me and explain that further. Thank you.